This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Gail Rowe. Welcome home. Well-maintained move right and upgrades include new boiler 2015, new chimney liner 2015, 3-zoned heat 2 units 1 replaced 2019 water heater 2018 updated electric and plumbing water and sewer lines replaced washer, dryer, dishwasher stove refrigerator 2017 spacious country kitchen first floor laundry room with additional storage space sliders from kitchen to large deck lower level features family room full bath original hardwood floors nice lot fenced rear. For more information, review the details below.